2024, the year to expect the unexpected, guys. I may honestly need an oxygen tank at this point in time inside this rocket ship. Okay? In today's video, we're going to be talking about XRP's supposed, who knows what price XRP can reach to, guys, right? And a lot of people are going to be trapped, wrong-footed. Let us pay attention. First things first, crypto bull market set to take off in 2024 for the very first institutional investment cycle, plus massive shift from traditional debt to crypto. So you don't want to miss this train. As we see right here, institutional interest brings adoption and conflict to crypto, right? Brace yourselves. The crypto market, bull market, is making a grand entrance. Even better, everything is set to take off in 2024, and the big difference we will see in this bull cycle is that will separate it from the previous is institutional investment, guys, right? But could they play a trap card where, yes, all these institutions will be coming to play, right? BlackRock and everyone, guys. But what if that marks the top, or what if it doesn't, right? In the end, blockchain technology and decentralized networks are poised to outshine the old school financial systems. Remember though, during this bull run, it's not going to be a utility run. I believe the utility run only occurs after the dam collapse happens, right? So not before, guys. People jump onto the crypto bandwagon. A massive shift from traditional debt markets to alternatives like gold and crypto is underway. Yes, Bitcoin can reach six figures this bull run, guys. If they want to trap it's going to be the worst thing ever though. If they want to be so sinister, the people who are in control, right? The people who are market makers, if they want to be really sinister to a maximum degree, guys, if I were them, I would pump Bitcoin, XRP to new heights never seen before. Bitcoin 6 figures, XRP double digits, Ethereum 5 digits, right? That's what I would do. Why? Because then you could rug pull everyone, and plus there'll be your exit liquidity. There's something crazy is going to happen, guys. You guys ready? It's like the dawn of a new era, and you don't want to miss this train. So keep your eyes peeled and your crypto wallets ready. Exactly. Be very safe and secure as we speak, guys, right? Check your wallets, check if your cryptocurrencies are there, just to make sure, right? You don't want to miss this bull run. That will be the worst thing ever. But it will definitely be written in real time on the blockchain. So the question is here, will you? So the real question is, will you be there too? Now, it seems like all these articles are coming out one by one, guys. Again, we're going to be talking about XRP's price here in a second, but now mass adoption of cryptocurrencies in Switzerland is imminent, guys. When we talk about Switzerland, right, the shadow space banking sector resides there. Oh, you know real money is coming into play, guys, right? Digital tokens and coin prices are on the way up, but this time there is something different about it all, right? When this rally fully kicks into gear, crypto will be everywhere. Wow. From today on, clients can invest into cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Polygon, and Uniswap. I don't know why they keep saying Ripple is a cryptocurrency, guys. This is literally a crypto company. They never say quote-unquote XRP, right? That's just fishy. I don't know why. But every other coin, they named it perfectly. Even Polygon and Uniswap, when those are just coins that are not even in the top 10, guys. Surprisingly, that statement does not come from one of the many fintechs in the Swiss crypto valley. It wasn't made by a private bank serving high net worth clients. Instead, it was made by a retail bank, Zugger Bank to be exact. It has been offering investment trading and custody services for crypto assets since October. Who is here stating that the banks want a piece of the pie? To the point, so we got all these institutions coming into play, right? Their ETFs. What do we have here? Ripple XRP Liquid Index, guys, right? Supposedly, this from NASDAQ, right? They are coming, but this was years old, guys. It stopped trading October 31st. Doesn't matter. They are sitting and waiting to start them all back up, right? Interesting. Again, like we've been saying, guys, you know how everyone can get wrong-footed, and this is how everyone will go broke, especially the people who won't know what's upcoming, guys, right? This is why we have to be very careful, even though we are in a bull run, right? Is if they make these prices, crypto prices, explode to the upside, but nobody takes profits, but they are behind the scenes, right? Do you just close your eyes, please close your eyes, and have this thought experiment. Think of yourself in front of the cryptos, in front of the screen, right, of your computer or your phone, guys, wherever you look at crypto prices. Imagine these cryptocurrency prices very high, extremely high. Bitcoin around 100 something K, 200K, who knows, if not more, to be honest. XRP double digits, right? 10, 20, $30. Nobody knows. Who knows? $50. Ethereum 10, 20K. Who knows? Nobody knows, guys. Who's going to take profits at those times? Literally less than 1% of people. Why? Because everyone and their grandmas, cats will be screaming, it's going to go higher. And that's how, dun dun dun, everyone will be trapped. While they are selling, you're buying, and we're becoming their exit liquidity. So if I were these elites, guys, I would activate all these ETFs, ETPs, all these index funds, everything before the collapse occurs. The greatest alchemical ritual to occur, guys. Right before that day, I would activate everything. Right, such as this right here. Insane stuff. Even Forbes came out with this right here: China and the Fed to flood the world with trillions. Traders suddenly brace for extreme predicted Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and crypto price swings, guys. Right? It seems like they're all being ready, or they're all getting ready with this liquidity inflow, right? A flood of liquidity, so to speak, a tsunami. Here we go. So, from Right Wabbit, what would need to happen to push the price the price of XRP to and around $10? Bitcoin top, liquidity crisis, stock market top, and if it were to go to $9 to $10, would the crypto markets drop first? Price will chill there. Many will sell thinking they're geniuses. Price will then keep pushing. We will come back to this later. From Pharaoh X33. I 1000% understand his viewpoint. Why? Because we talked about this before, guys. Listen. This isn't financial advice, but this is purely facts. You want to know what is? When a specific group of traders, of investors, think of something, it never occurs. The popular opinion in the XRP community is XRP will reach $10 and that'll be the top of around that price, which therefore means it will not be the top. Either XRP tops around $3, $5, $2, or it goes a lot higher than $10. It's not going to top around $10, guys. You guys want to know the proof we have? Go back in every bull market and bear market. Look at the people's expectations. It either surpasses them or it doesn't, right, at all. It actually goes a lot lower than what they thought. So, prime example was Bitcoin going to 12K. And where did it bottom out? 15, 16K. So, the price target for XRP is $10 or so. It's going to probably go higher or a lot lower. Hopefully higher, not lower, right? Perhaps this XRP hitting $50 is not fantasy, but a fact. So, from a chain of blocks. Why? I'm going to show you why XRP is undervalued and poised to explode in the near future. Here we go. So, first things first, XRP has a strong use case and demand. XRP is not just like any other cryptocurrency. It is a global network that aims to enable the internet of value, where money can move as fast and as easily as information does today. XRP is used by thousands or hundreds of banks, payment providers, and corporations around the world, such as MoneyGram, Banco Santander, and American Express. XRP is also compliant with the laws and regulations of various jurisdictions such as the US, UK, Japan, and Singapore. According to a report by Coincodex, XRP has a potential market size of $27 trillion, which is much larger than Ethereum's $12 trillion, guys. Wow. Are they talking about this run, guys? Right, like we stated, the expectations of retail traders, guys, we are the retail. Retail believes XRP will top around $10. If it's either, it either is going to top a lot lower or a lot higher. So it's 50-50, flip a coin. XRP is faster, cheaper, and more scalable than Ethereum. XRP can process up to 1,500 transactions per second, while Ethereum can only handle 15. XRP transactions cost a fraction of a cent, while Ethereum fees can go high as $50. XRP can also handle more complex smart contracts and decentralized applications than Ethereum, thanks to its innovative consensus protocol and federated sidechains. XRP also has lower inflation rate than Ethereum, guys, right? As it has a fixed supply of 100 billion tokens, of which 55 billion are locked in escrow until 2031. XRP is more environmentally friendly than Ethereum. Why does this all matter? Because they're going to attach a narrative for XRP to explode to the upside. There will always be a narrative, guys, right, to fuel the fire for this price boom. So they can use any of these, right? They can use so many, because XRP has a lot of positive narratives attached to it. Now, XRP's carbon footprint is negligible, while Ethereum is comparable to that of a small country. XRP is also working on becoming carbon neutral by 2025. XRP also has a higher social impact than Ethereum, right? XRP is also developing cutting-edge technologies, guys. This is just in the speculation run. Let's see how high XRP can go in the speculation run. That will foretell the utility run afterwards, guys, right? In the actual utility run after the collapse. Not financial advice, last but not least, when XRP finally breaks all-time high, Crypto X is going to go crazy, right? Crypto Twitter. It will be energetic and exciting, but it will also be euphoric and toxic. Stay sharp, guys. Stick to the plan and cut out all the noise. Exactly. Not financial advice. Make up your strategy right now. Plan something out, right? Not financial advice though, because we are nearing that day, guys, to the price explosion to the upside. Hopefully, may fortune smile upon us. Not financial advice in the new year 2024 and 2025. Not financial advice, not financial advice, and not financial advice. But it is nice. Hope you guys amazing. See ya.